the perfect makeup that I usually do on my brides, that I do on my clients, because it's just nice, it's simple with a little twist. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Today we're diving into this absolutely gorgeous look. It was also requested and stuff, and I'm also trying out some new products, so you want to stay tuned and watch. If you're new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss any uploads of mine. Let's carry on watching. So I've done my brows. My brows have not really changed. I still do them the same. If you want to know how I do my brows, there's a tutorial right up there. I have primed my face using the Perfect moisturizer from Primark. So good. It just gives me the perfect smooth base, and I'm going to be trying something new that I've seen someone try. This is the St. Morris Face Glow Drop. So it's for those people who wants to tan. It's not tan, but it's mostly like I want to get the glow that comes from this. This is my first time trying it, and obviously it's not gonna do anything to my skin because I'm already black. I'm not getting a tan, and it's also quite light. I'm using the Huda Beauty to just get rid of any dark circles. No dark. But also I'm going to be trying out a couple of new products from TikTok shop, and also some products I was sent. So this foundation was always my go-to. If you go backwards on my old videos, you see me overusing the Maybelline 30-hour stay foundation. I picked this up, and honestly guys, their concealer, I didn't know they've got a new concealer, so I got a concealer as well. So I'm super excited to try that. This is the best drugstore foundation. Actually, this is my top, one of my tops. I don't know why I stopped using it. The coverage, the glow. But I'm so into like having the flawless base I can get, and then doing the minimum. I could have little to no eyeshadow and then have the best base. TikTok, I got sent Fine Art Beauty mystery box actually, and I did get a couple of things in there, one of them being the concealer. But the concealer, because only had to choose your shade, and my shade range was deep dark, but then the concealer was really dark, and I'm not going to be using that on my under eye. I'll use it as a contour. You know that I've raved about how lovely the package is with Fine Art Beauty. It is based in UK, and I'm sure they do shipping if you guys want to try it and that. And it's very creamy, full coverage, and it does dry pretty quick. Let's just start blending before. Usually under my neck, I like to just blend going down. It's like this. I love the packaging. Hello. Also, the wand is the cutest. The cutest. So I wonder if it's as pigmented. It is on the yellow side. What shade is this? 45. It is on the yellow side. This has probably been out for a long time. I just never got around to using it. I really feel like I'm more of a brighter kind of eye girl, and once this is blended out, I feel like it will just sink in more on my skin. Let's blend this concealer and let's see how this concealer actually acts. Yes, so the thing is, the baby dries quick. That's better. If you do not incorporate bronzer in your routine, to just get that warm. It's just this glow it gives your skin. I'm sure it's a staple in most people's routine. I'm just gonna make sure I blend this part. Always look up when you blend. Don't be like me who likes to look down. I like to just blend the blush together. If you want to find a way to make your blush, especially from the neutral case, put it near your concealer and then you just blend it together. And especially if you want to do like a natural blush, that's the best way to do it as well. I always feel like if you want to achieve that flawless base, go back in with a blue blender. If you are one person who uses brush, go back in with the beauty blender because it just snatches everything up. So the concealer, love it. Should have gotten in a lighter shade, however. So I am gonna set my face with the H&B Cosmetics Soft Focus powder, which is this one, and it's in the shade Banana. It's literally like my favorite. And then I'm gonna be trying this new one, Kate Daly from Be Perfect. Be Perfect is a brand in UK and it's called Candy Floss. That's why I am setting my face with this, and then I go on top with the Candy Floss. Always look up when you bake, because if you have, when you set, because if you got creases, bro, all those creases are just gonna set in with the powder. And then you'll be like, well, why does my makeup look like that? Because you're not looking up. I go everywhere with that powder because it just melts in the skin. It doesn't add anything, any color. I am gonna bake where my contour and bronzer is. And I love that this powder just melts in. Packaging is like this and I love it. But it's so brightening. If you're a woman of color, you go a little bit. It just doesn't sink in like cherry blossom, and that I do like that it's brightening. Yeah, so it is brightening, as you can see. So this obviously is not a new product. She Glam, and I'm using the pinks and peaches. Just swirling them around, and I'm gonna be doing this. Just dip into the palette. You guys know I like to utilize my palette, so I'm gonna go in with this peach kind of color, and I'm just gonna go in on the bowls of my cheeks, and it's this one right here. I'm going in using the same hydrating mist from Vitamin E. So not forgetting highlighter as well on my cheekbones, just a little bit, because I want that glow, you know, blinding or anything. I just want like a glow that looks like it's from within. So what do you guys think of this gorgeous look? We used mostly fine products. I need to stop looking in the mirror because the mirror is right there and I keep looking at it. I'm like, so looking back. So what do you guys think of this look? I absolutely love it. So flawless. I've forgotten how much I missed my Super Stay foundation, and the concealer definitely bangs. And you guys, this setting powder, it is not for the weak. If you're dark skin like me, go light. Don't just pile it on. It's not cherry blossoms which dissolve. It's absolutely out there. I would say it's 9.1 out of 10. This, love it. I'm definitely gonna get more lighter concealers. It does dry pretty quick, but not too quick, so I do like that though. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and let's build this community. And also follow me on my other social medias, TikTok, Instagram. I am super active mostly on TikTok. Sometimes it takes my space, but I don't want to forget my YouTube family. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.